How long have we been working on this, Joyce?
5 years.
5 years. What's it feel like today now that you see it started?
Great. Now can I have one hammer? Inside the building, everything junks. Just one hammer. Take a picture and hit it with that one hammer. Hard road, but I love the journey. I'm glad for what we're doing, and I'm glad that I was part of this that's happening now. So to be a part of it makes me feel good after being 62 and being 2 years old moving in here. This is a big history maker right here. My dad worked in this office, is coming down first, so it's mixed feelings. It's mixed feelings. So I'm really glad.
For the video.
Comments, I am very much appreciative that it is finally happening. I was born here. I'm still here. I'm looking forward to the new housing coming up, and we are just so excited.
We'll have to come back and say, move that bus.
Move that bus. Yeah, come back and say, move that bus. Change is good.
That's right. Never gave up.
Never gave up, not one time.
Yeah.